In this problem, we will again be looking at applying an equation to a word problem. The second angle of a triangular garden is 4 times as large as the first. The third angle is 45 degrees less than the sum of the other two angles. Find the measure of each angle. Anytime I'm looking at a word problem and I can draw a picture, that's always the first thing I do. I know I'm looking at a triangular garden. And I know that I'm looking at the angles. This means that I'm looking at these guys right here. Now, it says the second angle of a triangular garden is 4 times as large as the first. Notice that it describes the second angle in terms of the first. The third angle is 45 degrees less than the sum of the other two angles. I want to point out that there's no description about the first angle. So this would be a good indication that the first angle is going to be my variable, x. Just pick one of the angles and let's label it x. Now the second angle is 4 times as large as the first. We can label this as 4x, 4 times x. The third angle is 45 degrees less than the sum of the other two angles. The sum of the other two angles means we're taking angle 1 and 2 and adding them together. "45 degrees less than" means that we're subtracting 45. So the third angle, I'm going to simplify this expression. This expression right here simplifies to 5x minus 45. So now if I put this all together, my first angle plus my second angle plus my third angle should all equal 180 because all angles in a triangle sum up to 180 degrees. Now let's simplify and solve this equation. I can combine all my like terms of the x's, and this will give me 10x minus 45 equals 180. Now I want to eliminate this 45 here. I will do it by doing the opposite. The opposite of subtraction is addition. Whatever you do to one side, you must also do to the other side. Now I have 10x equals 225. To eliminate the 10, I'm going to divide both sides by 10. So x equals 22.5. This means that my first angle is 22.5. My second angle is 4x. This means I'm going to take 22.5 and multiply it by 4. My second angle is 90 degrees. For the third angle, we could do this one of two ways. We can take our expression and plug in 22.5 there, or we could take 180 and subtract 90 and 22.5. And just for the simplicity of staying consistent, I'm going to plug in 22.5 into this expression. And if we simplify this expression, we get 67.5.